People think it's all about them, but it's actually all about you. Let's get right into it. If you're a photographer or videographer and you're always doing events or weddings or different things that really have a lot of people with them, you're going to realize that a lot of people are going to get in your way and you're not going to get the shots that you need if you're not commanding the room. So I'm going to show you a few ways to more likely get the shots that you need and to command the room. Now, one of the first ways to definitely do it is have the person who is there or hiring you to inform everyone that you're the person that needs to be in front of everyone. So if someone's there, like an uncle or something, and they're taking photos on their phone, you need to be ahead of them and you always have to be there. So having someone announce it to everyone is one of the best ways because everyone's gonna give you more respect automatically. Another way is kind of the same thing, but on your own. So you could take a mic or you can go to the front of the room where everyone's focused and talk on the mic and say, hey, can we get some group shots, or can we all gather somewhere, or can you get these people to the front of the room? That's the best way because people are going to automatically follow because everyone who has a mic usually has the power over the room at that point. Now, let's say that after all the formal stuff is done, all the like presentations, and this is just all socializing and more like dancing and stuff like that. To get the shots you need, you're going to have to be in and out of places a lot. So one way to do it is obviously squeeze through people and get shots that you need, and they should move out of the way. And if they don't do that, you got to move people and tell them. If you're not telling them, you're not gonna get the shots you need. So you need to actively be like telling people, or potentially just like tap them on the shoulder and be like, please move out, move aside for a bit. I just need to get the shot, or things like that. And you should be in every place to get the shots that you need. Now, another great way to do it is if you're more extroverted especially, or if you can talk to people, is talk to people in the room. If you can get group shots when they're sitting at the table and socializing and they all want to have a group shot together, you can talk to them and be like, hey, can I get a group shot? And that'll automatically get you introduced to that group and you'll get a shot automatically as well. Now, the best thing about this is it also adds on to kind of knowing the room. So if you have no one you really know in this room and you want to be more comfortable, talking to people like this is not as daunting as talking to everyone at the front of the room, but at least you'll get friendly with everyone and then they'll kind of become your friends, at least for the night. But the best part is you'll become familiar with the room and it won't seem as daunting anymore. The best part about that also is that people are more likely to help you organize things or more likely to listen to you because you're also there and you have people who respect you and are helping you lead. Another thing is always to be in a place that people can see you and can find you easily, because being around a corner or something where they can see you more actively is more likely they'll come up to you and they want to take photos or something. So if you have like your lighting equipment, then have your lighting equipment somewhere so they can be like, oh, can we take some photos here? And they'll come up to you and initiate the interaction. So if you're shy, that's the best thing because you'll automatically just reactively talk to them instead of the other way around where you have to kind of build up the courage to go up to someone and be like, can I take photos? Now, one great bonus tip I'm going to tell you to do is really important because this will command a ton of respect and you'll also be the most obvious person in the room, and also really show people that you're the person that needs to be in certain places and they should move away, or you need to be respected the most. The best thing to do is get a branded shirt. So if you're doing, again, photography, videography, having a shirt that's branded, so it has your logo somewhere or it has your name or something that really differentiates you from everyone else. So if you're there at a formal event, instead of being dressed up as in a suit and having a camera, which obviously will look nice, it's not going to be the best thing because you're going to not stick out amongst everyone else. So having maybe, for example, a hoodie or a sweater that has your name and everything compared to the people who are dressed up will automatically make you stick out, and people will be able to find you better because they'll know that you're there for this and they can find you. For example, for me, I'll put a picture somewhere up here, a shirt that has my logo over here, and it has my name and my Instagram handle on the back, and it has a big 1 so people can see it, but also just because I wanted to have it kind of like a jersey. So having a shirt or some kind of branding on you in some way is so much more useful because it'll differentiate you from everyone else in the room. Now, I really hope you liked this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below and subscribe so you can get more of the videos coming to your inbox. And if you want to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, I have all my social media. I'd love to hear some ideas from all of you and get to interact with some of you. I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.